Hi. Today, I'm going to show you how to create, set up, and manage a Gmail account. This includes everything from the initial sign-up to logging in and out, and even a few key security tips. Step 1. Account creation. First, open your web browser and go to gmail.com. Once the page loads, click on Create an Account and select For My Personal Use. Now, enter your first and last name and click Next. On the next screen, you'll need to provide some basic information, your date of birth and your gender. After you fill those out, click Next again. Google will now offer you a few suggested email addresses. You can either pick one of these or create your own custom address. If your desired address is already taken, you'll need to add some extra text or numbers to make it unique. Step 2. Password and recovery. Now it's time to create a strong password. You should use a combination of text, numbers, and symbols to make it difficult for anyone to guess. Once you've entered your password, click Next. The next step is to add a recovery email. It's a good idea to add one, as it can help you get back into your account if you forget your password. You can also skip this for now if you prefer. Click Next to continue. Step 3. Privacy and terms. Before you finish, you'll need to review Google's privacy and terms. Scroll through the page and read the information. There will be a few options to check, including one for promotional emails. Check the ones you agree to, then click I agree. That's it! Your Gmail account is now created. You'll be taken directly to your new inbox. Remember that every Gmail account comes with 15 gigabytes of free online storage that you can use for emails, Google Drive files, and more. While you're there, you can also check your security settings to see which devices are currently logged in. It's a good habit to check this regularly for any unfamiliar devices. Step 5. Logging in and out. Now, let's learn how to sign out and then sign back in. To log out, simply click on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen and select Sign Out. To log back in, go to gmail.com, enter your email address, and then your password. For an extra layer of security, it's a good idea to change your password every so often. You can do this in your security settings as well. That's it! We've covered the basics of creating and managing your new Gmail account. You are now ready to use all of Google's free services like Google Drive, Docs, and more. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time for more tutorials. Bye.